Okay guys, so welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to be learning how to build a cryptocurrency Bitcoin investment website with advanced features. Now on my screen here you can see this website with beautiful features. So this is the login area of the website. So this is how this website looks, and from the admin section of this website you can actually manipulate a lot of stuff. You can change the theme if you want. So let's say I want to change to this particular theme. So these are some of the features of this website. It has automatic top up and profit earning. Admin can have access to log into client's dashboard from admin. And there are a lot of stuff that the admin can actually manipulate from his end. So you can see that this dashboard has changed right now. So if I still come here and refresh the user's login page, you can see that it has actually also changed. So there are a lot more features that you can see that this has changed. So wow guys, this is very beautiful. And there are a lot more features that the admin can do, like the admin can actually send mail from here. The admin can actually set up and turn on investment mode or disable it. Admin can also have access to, okay, let's go back to the website features. There are a lot more beautiful things that admin has access to do. Let's go back to preference. So let's say admin can actually turn on this withdrawal mode or turn it off. Admin can turn on Google reCAPTCHA so that clients can actually log in through their Google. There is KYC verification, there is KYC verification on registration, there is Google login, there is email verification, there is plan cancellation. These and many more are most of the features that this website we are going to be building now will have. So, and the only way you can have access to this website and the software I use to do this on this video, it's when you stay till the end of this video. So guys, I want you to stay to the end of this video, watch it and do not skip any part, because you may skip, if you skip it, you may actually skip the most interesting parts and the most parts you may need. So watch this video to the end. One, I'm going to be showing you how to make money from this secret and strategy, and then I'm going to give you access to this script. I'm going to tell you how you are going to have access to this script. So now, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating videos of this sort. So most importantly guys, subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell, because that is the only way YouTube is going to notify you on any recent video that we make, and then you're going to watch this video and find out some opportunities there for you to make money from the internet space. Now that said guys, let's get right into my system and let's start building this website. Okay, now for the first thing you should do for you to start building your website for your clients or for yourself, so you're going to get your domain, you're going to get your hosting, and then these registrars that you get this hosting from is going to send you your cPanel login details, and you are going to log into your cPanel and you can start building your website from there. So for a website like this, I recommend Bluehost, and my affiliate link is in the description of this video. So if you use my link, you're going to get a free domain, and I'm also going to get a little commission, and then you can actually get a free domain. So it's a win-win for both of us. So click on my link and then you are going to get this free domain. Now that said guys, let's say for instance you want to get a new domain for yourself or for your client. So you can actually come over to Bluehost and see if you can bluehost.com and see if you can get a new domain for yourself. So remember, we are building a Bitcoin investment website, so we just have to get a domain related to start stuff. So let's say I want to use coin fites n. Wow, I think this domain should be available and it's something I'm going to use. So I don't want anybody watching this video to use this domain, or because I'm going to purchase it. It should be available. Wow, I suspected. So coin fites n. Wow, this domain is available. So I'm going to copy that. So let's say I want to purchase this domain, and once I'm done seeing that the domain is available, I can just proceed and add this domain to cart. So once I add it to cart, I'm going to come back on Bluehost and then get my hosting. So once I get my hosting, you should use shared hosting. So I get my shared hosting, and let's just scroll down. So this basic plan is actually good. So I'm going to click on select. So they actually come on a 60% discount. So I'm just going to skip that. So let me put my domain right here, create a new domain, Control V, and I'm going to, okay, let's just remove this .com here, and we have .com already here. So I'm going to click on next. So Bluehost is going to redirect me to where I'm going to put my details and I'm going to make payment. So you see that this is a total of $119. So I'm going to put my credit card and I'm going to proceed to checkout. So I am not purchasing this domain. I'm just showing you how you can purchase your domain if you have a new client that you have to deliver this job to, and you're just going to purchase this domain after adding it to cart. But for the purpose of this training, I have actually created a subdomain where I'll be doing this website from. And now guys, before we proceed, I want to do a quick disclaimer on this video that this video is solely for educational purposes and I do not support any illegal stuff aside from what I'm doing here. So watch this video. I am doing it so that you can actually learn the possibility of you creating this kind of website in the online space. So apart from that, I do not support any other thing that goes against this educational purpose I am doing this video for. So that said guys, let's proceed. So once you are done purchasing your domain name, this hosting Bluehost is going to send you your cPanel login details. So it is this cPanel login details that you are going to use to log into your cPanel. So your cPanel is just the control panel where you can actually start building your website for. If it's a WordPress website, you can start installing WordPress from your cPanel. If it's a website you want to get to use a script as you'll be using in this one, you should just go to your cPanel, locate your file manager, and let's start doing that. So once you've done logged into your cPanel, so how you can log into your cPanel is, let's say for instance, I successfully purchased this domain at coinfittersn.com. I just have to do is come to a new tab on my browser and paste that domain name, and I'm going to do /cpanel. cPanel. So once I click on this, it's going to redirect me to a page where I'm going to put my username and password, which will be sent to me on the email Bluehost is going to send. So you see that it don't open because I have not purchased this domain, so it can't open. So now, but once you are logging into your cPanel, you are going to actually see something exactly as what you are seeing on my screen right now. So once you log into your cPanel, you'll be seeing something exactly as this. So if for instance you don't have anything, you don't understand how to navigate your way through this place, there is a search tool here. So let's say the first thing you should do is locate your file manager. So once I locate my file manager, this is my file manager. I am going to log into my file manager. So if it is from this file manager that I can now start uploading my website script, and I'm going to use that script to make my website visible online. So I remember I said I have created a subdomain where I will be building this website from. So that subdomain is, I'm going to locate that subdomain at my public_html. So on my public_html, this is the subdomain I created. So this is the same thing you're going to do for yourself if you're doing it for a fresh client. So log into your file manager, locate your public_html and upload it directly from your public_html. So I'm coming to this subdomain because that is the subdomain I created for the purpose of this training. So once you are there, you just have to click on upload and click on select file. So I'm going to come to my desktop and I'm going to locate the script I want to use for my website. So this is a script here. So just watch this video to the end. I'm going to tell you how you are going to have access to this script. So our script is uploading. So in few minutes now our script is going to upload, and after uploading we are going to extract the script. And okay, let's just wait for that to upload. So it's 100%. So once it's 100, you wait it to turn green. So once it turns green, it means that it's successfully uploaded. So our website, our script has been uploaded successfully. So I'm just going to close this page and then come back here and reload this. So you are seeing our script right here. So I'm going to just right click on the script and then click on extract and click on extract files. So in a few minutes our software is going to extract for me and then we're going to proceed. Okay, so our script is successfully extracted. So I'm going to close this. So this is the extracted folder. So I'll just double click and then select every file inside my folder and then move. So I'm just going to move this into the subdomain I created. So if you're doing this for fresh, once you upload it on your public underscore HTML, so okay, remove everything after public.html slash, everything after the slash, just remove it and then click on move files. So once I move that, now I'm going to come back to the subdomain I created. So this is the subdomain. I'll just click here. So you can see that it was empty before, but now there are a little more softwares and files on my subdomain. So once you've done that, the next thing you should do, we are going to create a database. So let's come back here. I don't want to use the search button, so let's come back here and locate our database section. So on our database section, you come to my SQL database wizard. So this is where you can actually create your new back database for your website. So let's say the name of our website is CoinFittestDB. Click on next step. So let's say Fittest user. So for my password, I'm going to generate my password. I'm going to click on generate. So this is okay for me. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to click on I have copied this password. So I just want to open my notepad. So that is my notepad. So I'm just going to do something like database pass. So I'm just going to paste my password here. So I've pasted my password. I'm going to click on use password. So once I've done that, I'm going to come down here and click on create user. So my database is created. So I'm just going to copy this because we are going to need it. We are going to need it for our configuration. So I'll just close this and open this right here. Just click on enter and paste that. So click on all privileges and come down here and click on next step. So it's very simple, guys. So just follow my process. You can actually do it, and it's something easy. So if we've done that successfully, now we are actually going to go over and install this script because it has not actually been installed on our website. So for me to install it, what should I do? Now I am going to put the subdomain I created on a browser, and then I'm going to put slash install. Please get me right. If you're doing this for with a subdomain as I am doing right now, I am going to put the subdomain slash my domain, then slash install, and it is going to redirect me to a page where I'm going to install it. Now if you're doing this for fresh, if you're doing it with a new domain, just put your domain name slash install, or put your domain name slash the folder you uploaded the software to, the script to rather. Just click on the folder and then slash install, and you're going to install the script. So let's just practically do that so that you get what I'm actually saying. So remember, the folder I installed my subdomain on, it is script. So I'm going to put script slash the domain slash install. So it's going to install for me now. So let's just do something like that. So I'm just going to do on script script dot my domain name slash my domain name dot com slash install. So that is okay. So if that goes well, it is going to redirect me to a page where you can see that right now. So this is the install page. So once I'm here now, so I'm just going to click on install. So if everything goes well here, I'm going to just, so you see that everything is ticked good. So if everything is ticked good, it means that you are good to go. So if you're good to go, just come here and click on next step. So I just click on next step, and you are going to see where we are going to put our database details. So if I'm here now, so this is why I told you that our database details are needed. So I'm just going to copy my database details now. So this is my password. So let me just copy my password. So I'm just going to copy that. So this is password area. I'm going to put my password. So I'm going to come here and select the user details. So this is the user details. I'm going to copy my user. I'm going to come here and paste it, Control V. So my database host is localhost. So I'll come back here and get my database name. So this is my database. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it right here, Ctrl V. So if that is okay, I'm just going to click on install now. So once I've installed that, it is going to redirect me and tell me that, wow, you can see that my installation is actually complete, and it says we strongly recommend you delete the installed folder. So we're just going to do that right now. So let's delete the install folder. So we come back here, you are going to see the install folder here. So I'm going to right click and then click on delete, skip the trash and confirm. So that has been deleted from me. So once I've done that, I'm just going to right click here and open my website. So you're going to see that my website, wow, it's actually beautiful, guys. So this is the front end of our website. So guys, you can see the login page and you can see the sign up page. So another important thing to do right here now is to um, log into the admin, because now, as I said from the beginning of this video, the admin has access to manipulate a lot of stuff from the admin end, and he can actually credit clients, he can actually debit clients, he can delete accounts. The admin has access to log into the client's account even from his admin. Let me say, for instance, now I registered on this website. The admin of this website has access to log into my account even without my password. So guys, this website software and script is something you need to have access to. So it's very beautiful, it's awesome. The admin can change the look of the website. The admin have access to change and manipulate a lot of stuff. So as we proceed, you're going to see some of the things, some of the features that this kind of website has. So if that's okay for me, I'm just going to just come here and right click. So let's open this on a new tab and come here, right click and open that on a new tab. So you see that this is the login page. So the login page is the client's login page is different from the admin login page. So this is the registration page. So this is the login page. So now let me show you how you can access the admin login page. So for you to access the admin login page, just come to your new browser, and if you uploaded this to a folder, what you have to do is your domain name slash the folder slash admin slash login. For me, that I uploaded it to a subdomain. So what I'm going to do is my subdomain slash my main domain slash the folder where I uploaded it to, then slash admin, then slash login. So let's just do that right now. So I'm going to do slash paste here, and I'm going to put slash admin slash login. So let's just try that. So let's click on login, let's click on enter. So it's going to redirect me. So you see the admin login page and you see the client login page. So it's different. So this is the admin. So now how can we get the admin login details so that we can log into the admin? So what we are going to do is we are going to hack the database, and then we are going to get the cPanel, the admin details for this website so that we can log in. So what are we going to do? I'm going to come back to my cPanel. So once I'm on my cPanel, I'm going to locate my database area. So now we are going to click on PHP my admin. So once I click on that, so you see the domain name I just created. So I'm going to open that database now. So you will see admins once you open the database. So I'm going to click on edit, and now you see the email for the admin. So I'm just going to click on that, Ctrl C to copy, and I'm going to come here and paste that email. So let's come back and select that. So let's get our password. So you see that our password is we can't see anything written there. So just come here and locate encrypt, and then you're just going to change the password. So let's change the password now to admin 20 20 22 23 or 24. So let's just copy that. I'm just still going to paste it here so that whenever I need it I can actually have access to it. So let's come here and click on that. So Ctrl V. So that's okay for me. So I just have to scroll down and then click on go. So that detail has been saved. So I'm going to come here and put my password. I'm going to click on sign in. So once you're signed into the admin, you can actually manipulate a lot of stuff from the admin. So this website script has a very beautiful design. So you see the admin dashboard area. So you can manage users, you can do KYC application, manage deposits, manage withdrawal, and a lot more, guys. So once you come to the admin, let us just start setting up this everything from the admin area. So I'm just going to click on settings and I'm going to come to app settings. So from the app settings, you can see a lot of stuff that the admin has access to do. So like what I also showed you from the beginning, you see that there are a lot of themes here. So let's say I want to go with this particular one, this particular purple. So I'm just going to double click on it, and let's click on refresh, and let's refresh this page. So you see that everything will change right now. So let's refresh this also. So guys, you see that it has changed. So let's see this, it has changed also, and let's see this, it has changed. So you can change it to anyone, any preferred one, but me, I love black, so I'm just going to select black. Let's select black. So black has been selected, so just double click on any of them and it's going to select for you. So I'm going to select black, so I'm refreshing this now. Let me refresh this also, and let me refresh this. So I believe everything should work fine now. So it has been changed to black. This also has been changed to black. So now let's come down here and see some other settings we can do from here. So I want to, okay, so on this website preference on the admin area, so I don't want some of these things that are on to be on, so I want to turn off some of them. So KYC verification is on, so I'm going to off it. KYC on registration is on, so I'm going to off it. Google login email verification is on, so I'm going to enable it. So I'm just going to click on save. So once it is saved, I'm going to come back here and click on website information. So our website name is CoinFittestN, CoinFittestN. So that is the name of our website. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to also come here and put it CoinFittestN. CoinFittestN. Control V. So if that's okay for me, I'm just going to click on update. So it's going to be updated for me. So I'm just going to come back right here. Let's see if we have some other editing to do. So this email, so you need to set up this email part, very important. Please, if there are other things you don't set up, please make sure you set up and configure your email very well, because this is the only way clients are going to receive notification that they have successfully registered. You're going to receive notification, the email notification that you've successfully deposited, and a lot more, guys. So it's very, very important that you set up your email. So for me now, you should just come here and create an email for your clients. So if your email is created already, let's come here. I just want to copy an email I have created before now. So I'm just going to copy that email and I'm going to save that email. So this is the email. I'm going to copy that email, and I'm going to come back to the admin area and I'm going to select send mail, and I'm going to click here to put that email. So if that email goes well, so I'm just going to click on save. So very importantly, set up and configure your email. It is needed for you to receive mails from registration and every other things on your website. So website information, we've changed it to CoinFittest, and so you can see that background here is showing CoinFittest N. You can see that here also it is showing okay, still showing online trade. So let's refresh this now, and we are going to see that it is showing, wow, CoinFittest trade. So you can see that here. So we are moving, guys. So I just want to set up everything so that we can try registering on this website now before we end this video. So I'm just going to say, okay, now let's say we want to set up our investment plans. So you can set up your investment plans also from here. So let's wait for that to load up. Okay, it's here. So you see that we have actually two plans. So let's say new plan. Let's say we want to create a new plan for ourselves. So plan, what is the plan name? So let's say classic plan, classic plan. The minimum price is $1,000. The plan price is $1,000. So the maximum is $50,000. Maximum return 12% maximum. So it gives bonus monthly. It should be daily. So top up amount $12. Percentage, it should be percentage. So duration is daily, or let's say 1 week. 1 week. So we click on add plan. So you see that our plan is going to turn to 3 right now. So it's very easy and everything is working perfectly. So I'm going to click on back. So let's wait for that. So you see that we have 3 plans now. So now let's say we want to go over to payment method. So how you can put your client's payment method. So let's go to payment settings, and so what I do most times is from this payment method I actually disable a lot of them. So and I once I disable them, I create my own fresh payment gateway. So because these ones I do not like them, so I just have to disable them. Okay guys, I have actually disabled all the payment gateways. So once I've done that, I can actually add a new payment gateway. So I can now say something like this: bit Bitcoin. So here's just Bitcoin. So that's good for me. So I just have to enter the minimum amount. So maximum should be a lot more numbers. So I'm just going to percentage, yes. Currency should be cryptocurrency. So wallet address, I just put my wallet address. So it also accepts barcode. So I'm going to enable that. So my network should be all. Then I should want it for both. Payment should be instant. So I'm just going to click on save method. I just want to put only 2 payment gateways, so I'm just going to click on add new again. So I'm just going to select shift USDT. So I'm just going to click on minimum should be 10 100. So I just want 10. Maximum charges should be 0. Currency should be crypto. um it should be crypto. So I'm just going to put my wallet address. So enabled. So my network should be TRC20. So withdrawal should be both. So payment should be instant. So I'm not going to save these 2 methods. So I'm just going to save that. It's saving. So I just have 2 payment gateways. So you can see that. So we've set our investment plan and we've set our payment gateway. So let me check if there is any other setting I need to show you. Okay, now the referral bonus and the referral settings. Now this has up to 1 2 3, it has up to 6 levels of referral. So this is the commission you'll get, and the admin can actually set up the referral commission from his panel. So this is the first referral you get from the immediate person you direct. So if this person refers another person, you also get commission. So it's actually something very cool to know. And this website has a lot more features which I may not cover in this video, but the basic things you need to know and to help you build a Bitcoin investment website for your clients, I believe I have touched all of them. So you can actually manage deposit. Okay, very soon now we are going to be talking on how to manage deposit and manage withdrawal and all of that. So our website is set. So let's just try logging in right now. So this is the login page. I just have to click on tech beast. So I just have to do something like that. So that is my username. My email should be beast. Okay, let's just say bit at gmail.com. So my phone number should be this. My full name should be this. So my password, confirm password, choose country, and then I'm going to click on register. Okay, so we are going to be redirected to where we can log in. So wow, you can see our dashboard right now. So guys, this is very beautiful. So you can see, so this is the client login area, and you can actually manipulate a lot of things here from the admin end. You see that? So this is very beautiful and very awesome script that you can ever think of. So now let's just proceed and see if we can make deposit right now. So you can see enter amount. So I just want to make $20,000. So you can see those two payment gateways we set then. So let's say I want to select USDT, and I'm going to proceed to payment. It's going to redirect me to where I'm going to make payment. So you can see that wallet address I put that time, and you can see the network I put. So you see that this is something very beautiful. So let me just do a quick screenshot because it says upload your proof of payment. Let me just get my snapping tool and then snipe something small. So this is my snapping tool. I'm just going to do something like this. Let me just snipe here, and okay, Control S. I'm going to say up. So let me save that. So that's okay for me. I just remove this. Let me choose that file I just sniped now. So let's just see if we can locate it. Up, we started with you. So let's check for that. Okay, so this is the screenshot. So I've uploaded that. So let me click on submit. So if everything goes well, it is going to submit my deposit of $20,000. So you can see that right here. So let's just wait for that to load up. So once this payment has been made, admin is going to process this deposit, and then the client is going to see it on his. So you see, wait for system to validate this transaction. So while this payment has been sent, the client should wait for the approval. So you can see that no payment is showing here. So but let's come back to the admin right now, and let's come back to manage deposits. So let's go back to manage deposits. So you can see that this payment I just made now is pending. So I'm just admin just need to do is click on process, and it's going to start showing process right here. So let's wait for that to um, happen. So wow, you can see that it has been processed. So now let's come back to this client's dashboard and then do a quick refresh. You are going to see that the payment is going to show right here. So let's do something beautiful. Wow, you can see that our payment is successful. So now the next thing we should do is let's just try and see if we can invest. So let's just come here and buy a plan. So you are going to see those three plans we created from the admin. So let's click on buy plan. So you see that we have classic plan, we have premium plan, and we have standard plan. So this classic plan is okay for me. So I just have to select how much I want to invest. So let's say I just want to invest 20,000. Let's select 20,000, and it has reflected there. So if it has reflected, I just want to come here and click on confirm and invest. So once I have confirmed that, so it is the system is going to show that I have deposited that. So let's come back to my home. You can see that that's 2000 has been deducted, and you can see that my total deposit is here, and you can see that I have an active plan of 2000, and you can see that. So guys, this is very awesome scripts that you can ever think of. Everything is working and everything is automated. You do not have to start checking out for something that is very difficult. So you see that everything is working perfectly. So the client can actually withdraw his money. So but the client is going to be asked to confirm his password one. So the client is going to put his password, and is going to redirect the person to where he can withdraw his funds. So you can see the both payments that we set that time. So you can see the amount. So I can just click on request withdrawal here, and they're actually going to ask the client to submit some documents. So that is what the client is going to. So you can see that, and once I enter the amount I want to withdraw, and I'm going to click on confirm that. So you can come here and see the transaction that you've made. So both the referral link, everything is working fine. It's just for you to, you see that this is the payment I just made. So I can just come here and still click on referral, so I can actually refer some persons and get some commission here. So you see my referral link, and I'm just going to copy that. So my copied referral link is showing. So you can see that this is very beautiful software to use. So guys, I promised you that I'm going to be showing you how to make money from this secret. Now let me just give you an instance of charging a client from 200,000 to even up to 1 million to do this kind of job for them. And let's estimate that to a month. Now a month, let's say you have 10 clients that is going to pay you 200,000 to build this kind of Bitcoin investment website for them. Now let's just do the calculation of 200,000 times 10. So let's say you have 10,000. Let's just complete that. 200,000 times 10. So let's say you have 10 clients that will pay you 200,000 in a month to do this website for them, which means you're making up to 2 million naira in every month. So guys, it's not actually difficult. You can just go out there and find a lot of guys need web developers that will do this kind of website for them. So it's something you can actually charge them to do. You then come and get this script. And then I also told you that I'm going to be telling you how to get this script. Okay, now I also promise you that I'll be showing you how to get this software. So this software is worth 40,000 naira. So if you have 40,000 naira, you can have access to this script, and then you can just purchase this script and then use it to deliver your job to your clients. You can charge them from 200,000 to even 1 million to do this kind of job, and they will gladly pay you because this script is something beautiful, and they have access to manipulate a lot of stuff from the client's dashboard. Now there's something I didn't even also touch. So let's come back to manage users. Let's click on manage users. I want to show you that admin has access to manipulate a lot of stuff. So let's come back to manage users. So from the manage users, you can actually see a lot of people registered on this place. So you can, let's say the admin want to do something for this particular client. So let's just click on manage now for this particular client. So the admin has access to do these things. So you see that, let's click on actions. You see a lot of stuff the admin can do. Admin can log into this client's dashboard. Admin can credit this client. Admin can tune off the trade. Admin can block this person. Admin can delete the dashboard of this client. So admin has access to do a lot of stuff. So guys, if you're with 40,000, you can actually have access to this website script. So guys, if you have any question or any confusion, the description of this video, you are going to see the contact details. You can contact us to have access to this script, and there is also a link that will redirect you to where you can get this script to purchase it directly for yourself. And if you have any question, you can leave a question in the comment section of this video. We will be right there to reply you. I want to see you on the other side of success. So guys, that said, if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you get notified from YouTube, and that is the only way we grow this channel, and a lot of people can actually see this beautiful and awesome and value packed video to watch and then start making money from the internet. So that said guys, I believe you watched this video to this end, so and you've got the two things I promised you. So guys, thank you, and I'll see you in our next